Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft, but first shoot, is my camera recording? Okay, it is. Alright, sorry about that. Just need to do some shit around here. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a machine. It's pretty cool. You do need to go in survival if you're on PE. So let's start off. What you're gonna need is some water, any sort of block. Let's see what else. Gravel and sand. Or it doesn't matter which falling you use. I like to use this, but you can do anything. Alright, so you're gonna start off by doing three. Then at the end, wherever you want it, you're gonna bam. Put your water right here. Then get some of this out of the way. Alright. Bam, bam, bam. Actually. Sorry. My thing's a little laggy. It's freaking laggy. Bam, bam. Bam. Sorry, man. Get out of here. Get out of here. Sorry, I'm a little bit has to be freaking annoying. So, you're gonna go, mother flower. Shit. Fuck. Sorry. Alright. So, you're gonna count, then you're gonna go down. 1, 2, 4, 5. Then, if you're like me playing on Pocket Edition, then you're gonna have to set some things. But when you place your redstone in there, you're gonna actually need 4. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So now you're gonna switch to survival. Come on. There we go. Come on. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. I hate my fucking shades. Now, the 3 blocks that you just put down, you're gonna go up here, then just sneak, then just put your stuff in there, whatever you want, diamonds, whatever. Now, time to test it. Put your whatever that falls. Alright. And there it is. If you're wondering how to get your sand back without being stuck in there, you actually need to break these 2 dirt blocks under it so you can get out, and it works pretty good. So Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.